Everyone thinks the best-selling wall-hung toilet is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you factor in installation, smart features, and long-term reliability. Today, we're breaking down the real winners.
Product number 1, Horo T0338W Compact One Piece. Let's start with the Horo T0338W, a compact one-piece wall-hung toilet that caught my eye for its clean design and ADA compliant 17.3-inch seat height. Priced at just $229, it's one of the most affordable options on this list, but don't let the price fool you. If you want a modern, space-saving toilet that's easy on the back and budget, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The elongated bowl and chair height seating make it ideal for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. The dual flush system uses only 0.8 or 1.28 gallons per flush, which can save up to 16,500 gallons of water a year compared to older models. That's not just eco-friendly, it shows up on your water bill. The fully glazed 2-inch chopway ensures powerful siphon flushing with fewer clogs, and the soft closing seat reduces nighttime noise. Plus, it comes with a lifetime customer service promise and a 1-year warranty, which is rare at this price. Now, some people complained about the lack of smart features like heated seats or auto flush. Here's the thing though, this isn't a smart toilet and it doesn't pretend to be. If you're looking for basic, reliable function without the tech clutter, this is perfect. But if you want automation, keep scrolling. This is perfect for you if you're renovating on a budget, need ADA compliance, or just want a clean, minimalist look. Skip this one if you expect high-end smart features or bidet functions. For under $230, it's an absolute steal.
Product number 2, Eplo U8 Max Smart Bidet Toilet. If the Horo's lack of smart features bothered you, the Eplo U8 Max takes a completely different approach. This is a luxury smart toilet packed with tech. At $1,499.96, it's the most expensive on this list, but it delivers a spa-like experience. If you want hands-free operation, top-tier hygiene, and premium comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a MAP flush score of 1,000 grams, the highest possible, meaning it clears waste more effectively than 99% of toilets on the market. The foam shield technology prevents splashback and keeps the bowl cleaner, which is a game changer for daily hygiene. You get a heated seat, instant warm water bidet with front, rear, and oscillating wash modes, and a moving air dryer that actually works. The auto open-close lid and foot sensor flush make it completely hands-free, and the nightlight adds convenience at night. It's also ADA compliant with a 17.41-inch seat height. Now, some people complained about the complex installation and high price. Here's the thing though, this isn't for everyone. If you're building a high-end bathroom or want the ultimate in comfort and cleanliness, the investment makes sense. But if you're on a tight budget, this might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you want a luxury smart toilet with bidet, dryer, and full automation. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple or affordable. It's pricey, but for the features, it's one of the best smart toilets out there.
Product number 3, Smart Silva Wall Hung Combo. But the next one on my list might actually be better for mid-range budgets. The Smart Silva Wall Hung Toilet Combo at $468. It's a smart toilet with built-in water tank and in-wall carrier, so you don't need to buy extra parts. If you want smart features without the luxury price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes heated seat with 4 temperature settings, auto flush, foot sensor, and nightlight, all the basics you'd want in a smart toilet. The pre-wet function sprays the bowl when you sit, making cleaning easier, and the siphon jet flush uses only 1.28 GPF. It even has a blackout flush mode with battery backup, battery not included, so you're not stuck during power outages. The built-in tank and frame simplify installation, which is a huge plus. Now, some people complained about the remote feeling flimsy and the screen not lighting up. Here's the thing though, the display is passive, so it won't show real-time temps, but the functions still work. It's not as polished as higher-end models, but it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want smart features, easy installation, and a built-in tank, all under $500. Skip this one if you need advanced bidet functions or a premium feel. It's a great middle ground option.
Product number 4, Mijik Tankless Wall Hung Toilet. If you're looking for something sleek and ultra affordable, the Mijik Tankless Wall Hung Toilet at $159.99 is hard to ignore. With its yacht-inspired design and compact size, it's perfect for small spaces. If you want a modern look without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wall-mounted design lifts the toilet off the floor, making cleaning underneath effortless. Just run a mop underneath. The direct flush system leaves no residue, so you spend less time scrubbing. It's lightweight at 50 pounds, making installation easier, and the soft closing seat adds a touch of quiet luxury. It's ideal for powder rooms, RVs, or tiny bathrooms where every inch counts. Now, some people complained about the lack of smart features and basic seat quality. Here's the thing though, this isn't a smart toilet, and it doesn't claim to be. For under $160, you're getting a clean, functional design that saves space and looks great. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, have a small bathroom, or want a minimalist design. Skip this one if you need heated seats, bidet, or auto flush. It's basic, but it delivers where it counts.
Product number 5, Mege Smart Wall Hung Combo. The Mege Smart Wall Hung Toilet Combo at $854 strikes a great balance between price and features. It includes a built-in bidet, heated seat, warm water, dryer, auto open-close lid, foam shield, and nightlight. Everything you'd expect from a premium smart toilet. If you want full smart functionality without the $1,500 price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The motion sensor opens the lid as you approach, pre-wets the bowl when you sit, and auto flushes when you leave, completely hands-free. The foot sensor adds extra convenience, and the blackout flush ensures you're never stuck. It comes with 2 remote controls and a simple panel, plus an in-wall frame so you don't need to buy extra parts. The foam shield reduces splashing and keeps the bowl cleaner, which is a nice hygiene boost. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky and the battery not included for backup. Here's the thing though, installation is manageable with basic plumbing skills, and the backup system still works if you add a battery. It's not plug and play, but it's doable. This is perfect for you if you want a full-featured smart toilet with bidet and automation under $900. Skip this one if you're not ready for wall-mounted installation. It's a fantastic value for the features.
So which wall-hung toilet is best? The Horo wins for budget and simplicity, the Iplo for luxury, the Smart Silva for mid-range smart features, the Mejex for tiny spaces, and the Mege for full functionality without the premium price. Each has its place. Pick based on your needs, space, and budget.